aggressively, the FBI pursued the truth about King's assassination. It all comes tumbling out. The war on Martin Luther King, the war on the left, the illegal wiretaps, the bugging, the break-ins, the black bag job. It all slowly comes tumbling out, and it's still tumbling.
Still tumbling?
A lot of people have looked at J. Edgar Hoover's animus towards Martin Luther King and asserted that J. Edgar Hoover somehow was a part, maybe even the mastermind of an attempt to kill Martin Luther King.
Oh my gosh.
See the evidence to that. What I
That
do
thing is
see
really
the evidence
wild,
to
isn't it?
is that the FBI had warnings of assassination plots against Martin Luther King that they could have paid much closer attention to. And after 1965, the FBI was not really serious about trying to stop them.